Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to export financial reports in Wave. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. So let's just get started. First, what we're going to do is to go to reports. In our main dashboard, we're going to go to reports, and then we're going to open any reports that you want to export. That could be the profit and loss report or balance sheet report. Just go ahead and open that up, and then at the top right of the page you're going to see the option to export. So just go ahead and click export, and you're going to need to choose between PDF or CSV formats. And once that's chosen, your download will start immediately, and you can now print, email, or store the report securely. Exporting report makes collaboration and compliance a whole lot easier. In our next tutorial, we're going to explore how to use Wave's dashboard more effectively. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.